Hello children, in the previous class we have studied about two internal organs. One is brain and one more is organs involved in the digestive system. In today's class we will learn about the organs involved in the respiratory system. Okay, the main organs are nose, windpipe, lungs. Okay, see here. What is the spelling of the nose? N-O-S-E. What is the spelling of the windpipe? W-I-N-D-P-I-P-E. Windpipe. Lung spelling L-U-N-G. Lung. Okay, so we will study now how these organs will work in our body. Okay. Nose. This is your nose, right? Yeah. So you can see the holes in your nose, right? These are called as the nostrils. Through these holes, we are going to inhale the air. Through these nostrils, we are going to inhale the air. When we inhale the air, it passes in this tube-like structure. Okay, that is present inside your nose. That is called as the nasal cavity or the nasal passage. Through the air will pass into the windpipe. Air will pass into the windpipe. Through the windpipe, the air is going to pass to the other parts of the other organs of the respiratory system. For example, see here, windpipe is also called as trachea. From the trachea, at the top end of the trachea is topmost part of the trachea is connected with the larynx, that is the voice box here. Okay, we are going to produce the voice, right? So that voice is produced by the box that is present here in your throat region. Okay, so that is called as the larynx, and the bottom. Okay, the bottom part of the trachea is going to divide it into two parts. That is called as the bronchus. Okay, two is called as the bronchi. Again, these bronchi are going to divide it into multiple network tube-like structure called as the bronchioles. Okay, at the end of the bronchioles, we can see a sac-like structure called as the alveoli sac. Okay, alveolar sac. Okay, these things are present in the lungs. Okay, when we breathe in the air will pass from the nasal cavity and through the windpipe, the air will enters into the lungs. Air will enters into the lungs. When we do breathe in, that time the chest cavity. So where is your lungs are present? Lungs are present in the chest cavity. The lungs will be hanging inside the chest cavity. Okay, when you inhale the chest cavity, okay, the rib cage, the bones which covers the lungs, okay, the bones which covers the lungs, which protects the lungs are called as rib cage. Okay, the bones which protect your lungs are called as what? Are called as rib cage. Okay, so see here, when you do breathing, your lungs are going to expand. Your lungs are going to expand. Below your lungs are going to support it with the diaphragm. It's a flexible muscle. Okay, flexible muscle that is present at the bottom of the lungs. Okay. This diaphragm moves in downward direction when you do breathing. When you do breathing, during that time, this diaphragm is going to pulls down. Like this, it is going to pulls down, and your chest cavity will move upward and outward. Okay, your chest region. Okay, your chest cavity and the rib cages are going to move upward and outward, so that it is going to create more space in the chest cavity. It is going to create more space in the chest cavity. When it creates a more space in the chest cavity, it helps the lungs to hold more air in it. Okay, it helps the lungs to hold more air in it. Okay, when we breathe out, when we do breathe out, this diaphragm muscle will be there now. That will come back to its original position. It will move upward. it will move upward, then this rib cage will move downward. Okay, come back to its original, rib cages will come back to its original position. Okay, the chest is going to get relaxed. Okay, so when you breathe out, the rib cages will come back to its original position and chest will get the relaxed position. We will do one activity. When we do inhale, when we inhale the air, when we breathe in the air, so before you do it, you just keep your hand on your chest. Okay, you just breathe in, you feel how your chest area is going to move upward and outward. Okay, when you do breathe in, your chest region is going to move upward and outward. That time your lungs are going to expand and it is going to hold more air in it. Fine, see here. Right, you can try it. Then you will come to know how your internal organs are working inside. Okay, so during respiration process, we do breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so breathe in and breathe out. What are the organs that is present inside the body are windpipe. What is this? The windpipe, WINDPIPE, windpipe and lung. Okay, so we are having two lungs. Human beings are having two lungs in them. Okay, one is at the left side and another is at the right side, where it is present in the chest cavity. Your lungs are present in the chest cavity. Okay, you can see the small hair-like structures that is present inside your nose, right? Inner lining of the nose. Okay, what is that? What is that? Yeah, that acts like a protective agent in your nose. What it will do? It will protect the entering of the dust particle inside your lungs. When you inhale the air, some of the dust particles will be present in the air, right? That is going to filter through the hair-like structure that is present in your inner lining of the nose. And you also can see, and you can also see that the mucus-like substance that is present inside your nose. Right, so that is also going to remove the dust particles or the germs that is present inside your body. The dust particles that is present inside your body is going to be removed through the mucus. Germs and dust is going to remove through the mucus. That is a sticky-like substance. When you sneeze it, sometimes it will come out from your nose, right? That sticky-like substance that is called as the mucus, children. Okay, today we have studied about the nose, windpipe as well as about the lung. So internal organs are windpipe, lungs and many parts of the organs I have told. Okay, but mainly concentrate on the windpipe and the lungs. Okay, so refer your textbook, children. If you have any doubt, you just feel free to contact me. Okay, have a nice day, children.